ready to move on for our makeup. The first makeup we're going to apply is going to be this dark brown pigment. We're going to take this and put it on our cylindrical sponge, and we're going to start applying it to our volunteer's face here. Apply it just in dabbing motions. It does not have to be perfectly solid, but you should not be able to readily see the skin underneath. Try to get a mostly uniform layer. Guys, if you're preparing to be a werewolf, it also helps if you could go a day or two without shaving. If you can get away with that with your employer, it's going to make this even easier, because then the stubble is going to show through a little bit, and that'll just add to the effect. Also, if you can hold off that haircut until November 1st, that'll even be more helpful, because again, your hair can kind of go a little more wild up on top. Point being, you're already going to be well on your way to being a Wolfman before I even apply this. Now we're going to apply this base layer of brown makeup all over the face. This is the canvas on which we're going to build everything else on top of. All the other colors are going to come from this. So make sure to take your time, and then all of the exposed skin on the face is covered with the brown makeup above the chin and beneath the forehead. And we're going to keep doing this with dabbing motions. As soon as the makeup starts getting lighter, it's time to go back and get some more brown makeup. Definitely use it judiciously. This is the most time we're going to be using this color at all. It's going to be right here at the beginning.